Authorities arrested the man accused of sparking a fire that devastated parts of Los Angeles earlier this year. Investigators believe a 29-year-old man from Florida is responsible for starting the Palisades fire back on January 7th. It's been deemed as the 9th deadliest fire in California history, destroying thousands of homes and scorching nearly 24,000 acres. The acting U.S. attorney for California's Central District says the allegations against the suspect are supported by digital evidence, including a photo that he allegedly made using ChatGPT depicting a burning forest.
Geolocation data for the 911 call showed that he was standing above the fire in a clearing merely 30 feet from the blaze as it rapidly grew. Though homes and businesses cannot be rebuilt, this arrest, we hope, will provide a measure of justice to all those who were impacted.
Now, that suspect was arrested in Florida yesterday. He's expected to make his first court appearance at some point this afternoon.